Sir,
we given demo, no? So that demo class also they will include. Huh?
Included. Demo class also included.
Sir, you're muted.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Bhargav is there. I should not speak with Bhargav now. Again, he will ask, where is my paper?
Yes, I didn't get it already.
Yes. You will get today. You will definitely will get today. I tried to correct in college, but signal is not there. It's very difficult.
Did you correct, sir?
Papers, huh?
Sir.
To correct papers, huh? Yeah, we need
Tough, I know,
patience.
sir. It is very
Patience
tough.
we required, and first I should sit very freely so that what mistakes you did that I can
Yes, I
find.
know, sir. It's very tough.
Simply, if I correct and send, there is no use. So that's why it is taking little time because I have to see even who Aryan, right? Bob, right? Bob.
Huh?
Aryan, Bob paper is reverse only, right?
Sir,
Showing
reverse?
Bob.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you written very nicely, Aryan, but neatness is very important. Neatness. You
Yes,
written
sir.
all the concept very nicely. I felt shock when I counted the total marks. It is everything is nice, but there are so many scratches in the paper that I didn't like.
Sir, you
Remaining
cut
everything is
marks for
super.
that.
I will discuss about the papers also. Okay.
Sir, you cut marks for neatness and
No,
scratches.
I didn't cut because of that. But what are the mistakes are there that I am telling? Next
Okay.
examination I can. This is the first examination properly 80 marks test 70 marks test you written, right? So I am informing that what mistakes you are doing. He written everything, every answer he written, but there are so many scratches also. But answer is correct, I given marks. Actually I don't
Sir,
give, but I given. Tell me.
have you seen all the papers or
Only one paper I saw. First paper only I impressed, but remaining papers I didn't see. I have to see. Let's see. Okay, today we are going to discuss. Yesterday what we have discussed?
Gravitational potential.
Gravitational potential, right? So
Excuse me, sir.
Asmi, tell me, ma'am.
Sir, I actually had a doubt from this rotation system of particles and rotational motion chapter.
Okay.
But sir, I actually didn't attend the classes when you were teaching this chapter. So there's a question from NCRT
Okay.
which I have a doubt in. So
Okay.
I'll can I read out a question? But if you have solved it in the class earlier, I can ask some of my friends to send it to me. If not, sir, can you solve it?
Yeah, I will solve, but Now,
Sir, can you wait for a minute? I'll come back. I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to get textbook.
yes, 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 yes. Asmi,
Yeah, sir.
send to me. I will solve and I will send you. Night, okay?
So I will not tell it to you right now.
No, no need. No need. Because I have to complete the portion, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
If
No
it is
problem.
takes time, it will again. Okay, still we have discussed gravitational potential. So what is gravitational potential? What is gravitational potential? Anybody? Gravitational potential. What is gravitational potential?
Force applied per.
So work done to bring a mass from infinity
Force
to any
applied
point
per.
in the field.
Sorry, sir. 1 minute. Something and all I'm telling.
Yeah, for me.
Work done, sir, to get a particle like, from infinity to a point up to which another object's influence is felt.
Okay, so yesterday we did work against the gravity. That is the external work. Whatever the work we did by using external force, only that work we have to consider. Okay, internal works we should not consider to calculate. Remember, only external work should be considered. That is the condition. Okay. Now today I am going to explain gravitational potential energy. It is different topic. Gravitational potential energy.
Sir, you said that today you will give the relation between V and E.
Yes, I will give. Okay.
Sir, what is that relation called?
Relation call not. It is the relation, that's all. So suppose if they have given potential, if they ask you find out intensity of gravitational field, how will you calculate? We should require one of the relation to calculate that, right? So it is just relation. Relation, because of that relation, if they give any one, we can calculate one more. Okay, that's what the relation. Relation means nothing is there. There is no one more name for that. Okay, look at this. Gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy is nothing but, see, there are two bodies. First body, and it is the second body. These two bodies are at infinity. Feel like these two bodies are at infinity. Okay. The two bodies are at infinity. I'm going to bring these two bodies to at one place and for a particular configuration. Like these two bodies, suppose our distance is there. So I want to increase that distance, but I'm bringing from infinity to one more point. It is also space. Everything is space here. Two bodies I have to bring from infinity to the field. Which field? I don't have field. I want to bring that field to, and I have to give the such a nice configuration. Like if these two bodies are before is contact with each other. Once if I'm bringing these bodies, I can bring one by one, or I can bring two bodies. Then I have to give such a one of the configuration to that, one of the position to the two bodies. See, initially these two bodies are combined, or initially these two bodies are at a certain distance, the small distance. Now I am bringing these two bodies to from infinity to one of the point. When I am bringing that, I will give this is the configuration. So it's configuration changed from here to here. Or initially, if both are at certain distance, now I want to make that two bodies should be in the contact, and these are at infinity. So I'm bringing from infinity to here. So if I want to do that, definitely I have to do work. Gravitational potential energy does not exist between one mass. Between one due to one mass, gravitational potential energy we can't define. So gravitational potential energy, if you want to define, then we need two or more than that bodies. Then only we can define the gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy is nothing but we have to bring the bodies. It exists between the two bodies, two or more bodies. Due to single body gravitational potential energy, we can't define. Due to system of particles only or system of bodies, we can define the gravitational potential energy. Remember. Now, if I take one of the mass, look at this. Try to understand what is the difference between potential and potential energy. Gravitational potential and gravitational.
So, can you repeat the definition
I will
of
repeat.
gravitational
I didn't write the
potential
definition.
energy?
Okay, I will write the definition. Wait.
Okay.
Just listen. One of the mass. Okay. Due to this mass, it is the Earth. Earth or anything. I don't say only Earth. One of the body, it having mass. Now, due to this body, what will happen? Is it field will be there around it or not? Means, is it create the field around it or not?
Yes, sir, it will create.
It will create any mass body around it. It creates the field. Okay. It created field like this. Okay. Now, from this mass, I took r distance, small r distance. At the smaller distance, I consider one of the point P. Come on, try to understand. From the mass, smaller distance, I consider one of the point. I consider one of the point here. At this point, due to this mass, what will be there? At this point, due to this mass, what will be there? That's what I want to ask you. Can you say? It is one of the just one point I considered at r distance. At this point, what will be there due to this mass? Actually, due to
There
this
is some
mass.
potential.
Yes, there is some potential due to it. How much? Potential V equal to how much?
The mass of P into R into like the gravitational field around them.
Yesterday we derived no potential formula.
G minus GM by R.
Gm by R square, not? I think it is
R
R.
only R.
Okay. So that much of potential will be there at this point. Okay. And one more also will be there. What is that?
Gravitational intensity.
Gravitational intensity also will be there. How much?
So F by M.
So GM by R square.
Gm by R square. Gravitational potential intensity also it is there. So gravitational potential and gravitational intensity, both we have given formulas by basing on even single mass. It is possible. But to define gravitational potential energy, it is not possible. That's what I am saying. Due to single mass, we can't define gravitational potential energy. That is the concept. Am I clear? Due to single mass, we can define potential, we can define intensity of gravitational field. But due to single mass, we can't define the gravitational potential energy. Now tell me, due to define the gravitational potential energy, how many masses that we require? How many masses?
2 or more than 2?
Yes, 2 or more than 2 masses that we have to now see. First point, due to single mass or single body, okay, it having mass, okay, due to single mass.
So, first, can you tell definition?
Yes. First, we have to know how to define. If you want to define that, first we should know what are the conditions, okay?
Okay.
Due to single mass, we can't define gravitational potential energy. It is possible.
So we don't have to draw that diagram which you have drawn, right?
Draw this. Why? Because you will get one idea. Due to single mass, we can find out V. We can give E, but U equal to, we can't define. U equal to 0. U is nothing but gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy denote letter U. Due to single mass, okay? Due to single mass. This everything happened due to single mass. It is possible for only
So that U represents.
System of Q. U.
Sir.
U. U is nothing but gravitational potential energy.
Sir, I think we did this in the work chapter also some partner, sir. Somewhat different, but
Energy is U only. Potential energy in work power energy also potential energy.
that's what like same
Yes,
thing.
same thing, but that is potential energy. It is gravitational potential energy.
This gravity GP, yes.
Yes.
I know that.
But potential energy we will denote with letter U actually. Either gravitational potential energy or simple potential energy. Everything we can denote with U. Am I clear? Hello. I'm writing definition now.
So system of particles means like for
System
more
of
than
particles is nothing but more than two. Two or more. Two or more. More also no problem. Two bodies also no problem. We can define, but single particle not possible. That is the thing that you have to remember. And what we are discussing here, electrostatic potential energy, remaining everything is same. Concept is same. Please concentrate on this. On the concepts you should concentrate. Okay. Because today even I have to complete.
Sir, why are you rubbing those points? Did we have to write those?
Yes, you have to write. It still didn't write.
No, sir.
Okay, write down. I will tell. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Sir, don't write again, sir.
Yeah. Gravitational potential energy we cannot define for single particle or single mass. Gravitational potential energy we cannot define for single mass or single body.
Sir, for single mass, so potential energy is 0.
Gravitational potential energy is 0. Okay.
That's what.
Yes. Potential energy is for
Gravitational
single mass.
potential energy.
Single mass, there is no potential energy. That's what you can find. Gravitational potential energy cannot exist for single mass. Second one, it is possible for system of particles. We can define.
So can you repeat first point?
Yes, gravitational potential energy we cannot define for single mass. Gravitational potential energy we cannot define for single mass. Second point, gravitational potential energy we can define for system of particles. System of particles nothing but 2 or more than 2. 2 or more than 2. Definition. How to write that? For 2 particles or more than system of particles, not only 2, for the system of particles. Potential energy of a system of 2 masses is defined as potential energy of a system of 2 masses is defined as work done to bring work done to bring, work done to bring, to bringing two masses from infinity to means we are doing work to bring two masses from infinity to their respective places. It is very easy concept, but in our textbook, however, they have given, if you read, you will get a lot of confusion. Now I will teach this in the shortcut form. That is also, it will work. It will give us the formula.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, can you again show the diagrammatical representation of gravitational potential energy?
Definitely. When I'm explaining, that's what I have to show. Now, there are two masses, M1 and M2. These two masses at infinity, okay? I want to bring these two masses from infinity to their respective places, means I will give the places M1 here, M2 here. There is a distance between them, that is R. I given respective position. These are the positions of the two masses. So if I want to do this, definitely I have to do work to bring from here to here. Is it I have to do or not? When I'm going to solve, I will tell. Definition is, this is what the definition. Amount work done to bring two masses from infinity to their respective places. That
So,
is
but
called,
the work done on both the masses will be different, right?
obviously.
Yes. So how are we collectively? What's the concept? I
Come
don't
on.
understand.
Come on, both I can bring, I can place like this, or one by one I can bring and I can place.
Yes, sir.
Both if I bring, no need to do different types of works. I can bring and I can
So
place like
if you place one by one, it again becomes gravitational potential only, right?
one by one. If I place, gravitational potential energy will be there between that two. How much, that we have to calculate. Gravitational potential energy means what? We will do work, right? We are doing work, right?
Yes, sir.
That work will store in the form of gravitational potential energy. Otherwise, where is that work? Okay, I did work. I brought these two masses from here to here. I placed like this. So I did work. Where is my work? Where is that? Whatever work I did, it will store in the form of gravitational potential energy between the two masses. Am I clear?
Okay. Yes.
Sir?
Tell me now, Vishnu.
Sir, so gravitational potential energy is bringing two masses into a field.
I don't say only two masses. Here I am explaining for two particle system. After that, I can take more than two particles also.
Sir, if you take one mass itself, it has infinite particles. So we can consider.
Please, again, center of mass and all we don't want. Okay. Yes, if I consider one mass, it is one mass. In that, you don't consider that so many small particles are there. Don't think about the small particles here. Okay. That topic is up to center of mass. Here, when I'm considering one mass, that's all. In that, so many particles are there. Don't think about that. So one mass I'm going to bring from infinity to here. Second mass also I'm going to bring at a certain position. So I have to do work. Whatever work I will do, that work will store in the form of potential energy, because work is nothing but energy. We have studied that. Work is nothing but energy. Energy is nothing but work. Both having same units. Both are scalar quantities. If you want to do work, we require energy. Like that, every time we will study. So that is what I'm saying here. Here, whatever work I did, it will converting into gravitational potential energy, because energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can transform from one form to one more form. Now my work is storing in the form of gravitational potential energy. So to define that, now I will do I'm going to do that. Listen carefully. Am I clear the definition? or any doubt? Ask me any doubt in the definition?
No,
Have
sir.
any small doubt, you can ask me, sir. I didn't understand the definition.
Sir, I just
Come on.
okay, sir. Basically, gravitational potential energy is is the energy required to bring two masses to a gravitational field, right?
From infinity to their
Gravitational
respective
field, yeah.
their respective places.
Okay.
Their places. You see now,
And-
see how nice configuration we have given. Two masses are there, two fields will be there, and the two masses are separated with certain distance. Everything happened due to whom? Due to we did work. That work
So
given.
again, but according to the definition of gravitational potential, work can be done only on one mass from infinity, right? To bring
Work
to
can
a
be
specific
done.
point.
Work can be done not. That is gravitational potential is telling that work done to bring one body from infinity to any point in the field. Means itself there is a field initially. Here now no field. There is no any field now. Here no field is there. Now I want to bring these two masses to their respective places. Then I have to do work. What is potential? Potential means already field is there. Already field is there. In that field you are going to bring. So due to this body on this mass, potential will be there. So this field will create the potential itself.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask.
Can I finish first? I'll just finish it. Then Nagabhushan can ask his doubt.
Yes. Nagabhushan. Ask
Sir,
me.
finish a doubt.
Ask ma.
So again, you had written that
Okay, come on.
no, sir, V is potential.
Potential
and-
created by the mass. Now, here nothing is there. Space, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will bring one mass, okay?
Yes, sir.
This mass will create the field.
Yes, sir.
It creates the potential.
Yes.
Definitely it will create the potential. Now I want to bring one more mass. And the two masses I have to bring, like I am giving some of the respective places to them. I'm
Which
giving
have
place-
potential.
Yes,
Okay.
it's having potential. Now
So the third party is only providing gravitational
potential energy.
attraction force. The
Gravity-
third party, that is the third mass.
Yes. Now see,
These
listen.
both bodies, nothing they have in common.
Yes. Now look at this carefully. Okay. When I'm deriving, then you can ask.
Sir,
Nagabhushan. Gopal Krishna, tell me, ma.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Mm.
Sir, here work done is from infinity. So the displacement is infinity, sir.
Work from infinity means, I told you, right? Infinity means don't feel that it is a certain somewhere.
Yes,
Just
sir.
out
You
of
told
the
just
field, okay?
outside the
Outside the field. So displacement, if you want to feel that is initial to final, that is only displacement, no? That is displacement
Okay,
only.
sir.
So work is nothing but force into displacement. Remember, without displacement,
Yes,
there
sir.
is no work, because work is nothing but force into displacement. Okay. In which path, in which way you will bring this body, like you will bring straight, or you will bring from here to here, here. Again, if you place here, it doesn't matter, because gravitational force is nothing but a conservative force. It does not depending on the path. It depends only on initially where it is, finally where it is. That is only it depends. Okay. So you can say that it's the displacement. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Come on. Now tell to me. I want to bring one mass from here to here. It is space. No field is there. Is it I have to do any work on that mass or not? That's what my question. I want to bring this
Sir, you have to
mass
do some-
from here to one point. Is it I have to do any work or not?
Yes, sir.
Remember,
You have to do some work.
remember yesterday concept and tell me.
Without
Okay?
work, how can it displace?
No, sir, we should not.
Okay, work. We only have to do work when it's pushed towards a gravitational field, right?
Somebody should push. If somebody is pushing
You should
in
give
the opposite direction,
Sir, how?
yeah, come on.
How can you
In-
like
so-
simply?
Okay, now look at this. Here air is there, air particles are there. Okay, one air particle, if I touch like this, what will happen? It goes. Just if I touch, it goes somewhere, right? So that means, is it I'm doing work on that? Is it I have to do, just if I touch this mass, from here to here, it can come. So why I have to do work? I don't know why I have to do work.
Sir,
Just if I
that
touch.
small work also you should do, sir.
No.
DW.
Sir,
Why
I have a
not?
doubt.
Considered to negligible
Sir,
almost,
to
right?
touch also will apply our work, no, sir. So
That's what I'm saying, sir.
So-
Oh God, no. See,
DW
come
is
on.
there.
Yeah,
Very small.
very
Negligible.
negligible works we no need to consider. Very negligible works we no need to consider.
Okay, so like you said yesterday, so when the mass is present in the gravitational field, that is when you need to apply the external force to push it out, because there's an attraction between the
Yes,
mass
opposite.
between both the masses.
Yes, if anybody is opposing in the opposite direction, if I want to carry any object, then I have to apply my force. Now, if I touch here, when it is coming from here to here easily, that means even internal energy, by using internal energy, it is coming here.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Got it.
if anybody is opposing, but opposite direction, if I do work, then that is nothing but work done. That is external force I am applying. Here I didn't apply any external force. Just if I touch here, then it comes here and it will stop. So first mass to bring first mass from infinity to this point, work done equal to 0. No need to do any work. It will come and it will stay. Now look at this. I want to bring this mass. I want to bring this mass. Now, due to this mass at r distance, point P I considered. At this point P, what will be there? Point P, what will be there? Potential will be there. Now, if I want to bring this mass from here to here, is it I have to do work or not?
Yes,
Remember
sir.
ST
No.
concept?
You
Remember
don't have
ST
to do
concept?
work. You don't have to do work.
Because again, you will say that, sir, if I touch here, again it comes and it will stay here, right? Will you say that?
So the
So
potential is
I think you
opposite.
have to do
Okay,
work
sir, okay,
because
okay.
the
Sir, sir,
gravitational
sir.
force will be
One
between
argument.
M1 and
Before
M2.
going, sir.
Yes. Asmi. So,
An
Ananya,
argument I have, sir.
tell me, Prashant. Tell me, Prashant.
Now, sir, you have your hand, sir. We have our hand, no, sir. To bend our hand, our bone is bending. In that time, is work applied or not, sir? Is work done or not? My question. Is it done?
So
This question
now
is
okay,
roaming in my head from last 2 days. Sir.
yeah, come on. I applied force here.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
work I did or not? Is it work I did? When I'm applying force on this, is it the meaning that I'm doing work? Is
No,
it?
sir.
There's no displacement here, right?
No displacement here. Okay.
Sir, but while bending our hand, we do like angular displacement. No, sir.
No. See that things where I'm applying force, on whom I'm applying force. Okay, I'm applying force on this. Bending hand is internal due to the internal energy.
Yes,
So internal forces, due to the internal forces, you should not consider work done.
Extensive force.
Yes, external, due to external force only, whatever the work will done, that we have to consider. Okay. Now look at this. One mass to bring from here to here, I need not do any work because there is no any gravitational field. Now gravitational field is there because mass is there. It creates the field. Now if I want to bring this mass from here to this point, definitely I have to do work. Yesterday we discussed the same thing. We have to do work to bring this mass from here to here. Why? Because now there is a gravitational field. Previously there is no gravitational field. So if I touch simply and it came here, and r distance, I consider one of the point. To this point, I want to bring this mass. To this point, I want to bring this mass. Now I have to do work or not? Asmi, why you became silent?
So you don't have to do work, right?
Why, ma? Before, come on, look, try to understand. Before, no gravitational force, nothing. That is the reason. Just if I touch, this body will come and it will stay here.
Okay, so there's
Now
no
what
force of
happened?
attraction due to
Yes.
which we have to apply the work,
Yes.
right?
Now,
Okay.
due to this mass, definitely gravitational field will be there. Mass creates the gravitational field.
Yes, sir.
Now, one point I considered here, at r distance, one point I considered. Now I want to bring this mass from here to here. Is it I have to do work or not?
No, you don't.
Why?
You don't have to do work, right?
Previously also I didn't do work, and now also I don't need to do work. Huh?
In this case, you don't have to
Here
do
there
work
is a
because
force.
there's a force. It comes from infinity, right?
Infinity means again.
Sir, these people didn't understand, sir. Yesterday's concept that you told, no, sir, we have to do work to displace to the point.
See, yesterday what I told you. Now also I don't know where you are missing the thing. Really, I can't understand. Please concentrate here. It is space. Nothing is there.
So, just a second. When you get one mass into the gravitational field, you will have
Here no gravitational field. Okay. Here no gravitational field. It is M1 Ananya. It is M2. Now no gravitational field Ananya. Now I want to bring one mass. Is it I have to do work or not? Come on. Tell me that.
Yeah, you have to do work, right?
Why? There is no any opposing force. Nothing is there. Why I have to do work? Real, I don't know.
So you have to do work to get the mass from one position to other, right?
No,
Yeah,
we don't need to do work because there's no forces
Acceleration
acting
is
on
zero,
it.
no,
no
sir.
forces is acting on that. No forces
Acceleration
acting.
is zero.
Except
Sir,
see
Yes,
sir,
so net
this,
force is zero, so net work done is also zero.
zero. No need to do work to bring one
equal to
mass.
C, it is equal to zero. It's zero, sir.
Ask
That's
me,
it.
Ananya, clear. To bring one mass, no need to do any work because no other forces are acting. No gravitational force. To bring one mass, there is no gravitational force. So I don't need to do any work. Once if I bring, like if I touch this mass, it will come and it will stay here. Then what will happen? This mass will create the field. This mass will create the field. It is the gravitational field. Now gravitational force is there. Now at r distance, one point I consider, to this point I have to bring the second mass. Now I have to do work because there is a gravitational force here. Previously that is not there. Now gravitational force is there, so I have to do work. Externally I have to apply work to bring this mass. Asmi,
Sir, one simple point, sir. If
yes, Prashant.
Okay, so according to what you taught yesterday, if a mass is in
activity is not
infinity
there,
position,
that means
Prashant, 1 minute, Prashant. She is telling. Tell me, Asmi.
if the mass is present in an infinity body, according to what you taught us yesterday,
Mm.
so here, and there's a gravitational energy caused by a mass, by the Earth. That's what the example you took yesterday, right?
Okay, tell me.
So now
What is there in
here,
your mind?
so here now we don't have to apply the force, right? For it to come into the gravitational intensity. Sir, I'm revising the concept you taught me yesterday. That's what I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm revising that. See, yesterday what we did, already one mass is here. It creates the field. At r distance, I consider one of the point. Now to bring second mass, I have to do work, I told. There,
Okay, so you have to
initially
do work.
gravitational field is there. Initially gravitational field is there. Okay. So already field is there. So in that field, I am bringing one more mass. So that time I have to do work, I told.
And if once the mass is there inside the field, and from there we have to push it out to infinity.
You are getting confusion. Mass inside the field not. Mass only creates the field. Mass creates the field. Mass is not
Excuse
inside
me,
the field.
sir.
Bhargav.
Sir, your voice is breaking for me.
Network problem, Bhargav.
Okay, sir, I'll rejoin once.
Yes, you can. Asmi.
Yes, sir.
Mass creates the field. Mass is not in the field. Mass only creates the gravitational field.
There's no external force needed, right?
Why?
So here, okay, work is applied, so
We have
force is
to.
also applied.
Force
No
is applied.
external force is applied here, right? In the
See-
mass present in infinity.
No need to. Now I will bring this mass from. True, it is a very difficult to bring from here to here. I can't show that I'm bringing mass from infinity to in the field, but to take that mass from infinity here to infinity. Now I have to do work or not? Array, mass is here. I want to take this mass from here to here. Is it I have to do work or not?
We require an external force there in the second case, right?
So how much work I will do to take this mass from here to here? Same amount of work only I should do from here to here also.
So work is applied in both the cases.
Both the cases.
The same amount of work.
Same amount of work. Yes. To take this mass, M2 mass from here to here, how much work I will do to bring this mass from here to here also same. What is there?
Sir, but you told yesterday that because there's a opposite force acting, so it'll like more work has to be done, right?
More not. How much force is acting in this direction? Same amount of force I will apply in the opposite direction I told. Think once.
Okay, yeah, and it'll displace like there'll
Both
be a really
should be-
small.
Slowly it will move. That's what I
Yeah,
told.
Yeah.
Remember, okay? How much force acting in this direction? Same amount of force I will apply in the opposite direction I told. Same amount I told.
Yes,
I
sir,
didn't
yeah.
say more. Why I am applying same amount of force? That means this particle cannot move with kinetic energy. It moves very slowly. So when it is moving very slowly, whatever work I did, I can find. If it is moving with kinetic energy, whatever work I did, that will convert into kinetic energy again. So how much work I did, I can't get properly. When it is moving very slowly, how much work I did, that I can calculate because it is not converting into kinetic energy. Once
Sir,
that work,
And one more doubt I had, why did you take negative?
negative, opposite direction I am applying force, no? Force is acting in this direction. In the opposite direction, negative is telling that opposite to the gravitational force. In which direction I am applying force? Force is force is vector or scalar?
Vector.
Vector. Gravitational force is acting which side? In this direction.
Opposite, yeah.
In this direction. I am applying force in which direction?
Opposite to that.
So that's why I took negative. I am applying force opposite to the gravitational force. To represent that, I give a negative. Clear?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, so infinity to point P to infinity, both are the same. So we don't need to take positive, negative.
Yes, same amount of work, no?
So,
Ananya. Here you are thinking about the negative. That negative sign is showing just, it is attraction force or work done by the force is in the opposite direction. That is only it is showing. Negative means it is not negative. Negative is showing that we are doing work in the opposite direction. That's all. We have to bring from infinity to here. Instead of that, we are taking from here to here. That is only negative. That is the negative. Negative means don't feel that negative value. It's not negative value. It's showing that opposite direction. Tell me, Ananya. Everyone became quiet, huh? Come on. Now listen. Asmi,
Yes, sir.
did you understand? To bring one mass, no need to do any work. Simply it will come off. Okay? Because there is no any field previously. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, from here, R distance I consider on point P. It is the second mass. To bring second mass into the field, I have to do work. Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. As Ananya out. Over. Concept is over. Now, even gravitational potential energy formula you will get if you understand that concept. If you understand the small thing, gravitational potential energy concept and formula also you will get. If you don't understand, forever it will be there in your mind like a question mark. That's all. So don't give any question mark to that. What concept I am telling, just to try to understand. Here nothing is there. It is space. It is just space. And it is mass here and second mass here. These two masses are at infinity distance. Now to bring one mass, I no need to do any work because there is no any gravitational field force here. No forces are here. Just if I touch, happily it will come and it will stay here. Ananya?
Sir, did you explain anything?
No, Ananya. Now I started.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me, Risha.
Sir, if there is a mass very near to the gravitational field, do we need to do work to bring it inside the gravitational field?
See, okay. I will answer your question if you understand clearly. Gravitational field is there, okay?
Yeah.
So it is the Earth. Around it, gravitational field is there. That's what you are telling, right?
Yeah.
Now, where is the one more mass?
It's really near to that field.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
It is nothing but infinity. It is nothing but infinity.
You still need to do work, even if it's really near.
This is only infinity. Infinity means, that's what I am telling. Always in your mind, infinity means it is somewhere. Infinity means just out of the field is called infinity. Yesterday I given
Sir,
that
but
word.
it's like really near that field. So why do you need to do work?
Really near to the field, but not in the field.
So you can do less amount of work, right? Comparatively.
Haha.
No need, or is it the same
How
amount
much
of
work? Infinity means out of the field. Out of the field, any point is called infinity only.
Yeah, sir, but isn't it felt like on the mass, like where its influence would be felt on the mass, right?
If it is felt, then it is definitely in the field only.
Okay.
If it is felt, that field, that's what gravitational field means. If you bring any mass into that field, that mass will experiences the force. That mass will experience. If it is experiencing force, then that is in the field only. If it is not experiencing, that is out of the field. Out of the field anywhere is infinity only. That's what. That is only concept. What is there? Am I clear? Risha, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you say that, sir, it is experiencing. In experiencing means it is in the field. That's all. No doubt in that. It is in the field. If it is not experiencing, out of the field. Out of the field, any point if we take, that is infinity only. Not only here. Here also. Here also infinity only. It is out of the field. Out of the field, any point I will consider like it is the infinity. Keep in mind. So now look at this. So to bring first mass, I don't need to do any work because no forces are here. No gravitational force is here. Just that body will come and stay here. Now this mass will create the field. Definitely this mass will create the field. Now when it is created the field, now I am considering r distance, one of the point P. Now to this point, I want to bring the second mass. If I want to bring the second mass, definitely I have to do work.
So
Now,
will that mass create a field in its initial position itself?
Yes.
No, in its initial position.
Yes, initially also it is there. Initially it is there. Both are in the very near to each other. Okay. Now how I am bringing both.
So when it is in the initial position, the other mass is already in the field of the first mass, and like they are both already in each other's field, right?
Okay.
So
both are in contact.
yeah.
Now those two masses, I want to make sure that they have to get separate, like different positions. Their respective positions they have to get. It is the first body mass position, and second body I have to bring here. Then certain position I given to the two bodies. If I want to give that certain position, I have to do work or not.
Yes, sir.
Spring. If I extend, is it I'm doing work or not?
Yes, sir.
Now whatever work I did, it will store in the form of
potential energy.
Same thing only, no? These two bodies are like this. I am bringing two bodies to this much distance. Okay, now whatever work I did, it is storing in the form of potential energy. Am I clear? Now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I want to do work to bring this mass from here to here. So already how much work I have to do? Work equal to W2 equal to potential into mass, right? I have to do work on the mass to Come on. Potential equal to work done by mass. So from this, work equal to which work? Second work. First work is 0. To bring first mass, first work is 0. To bring second mass, potential equal to work done by mass. So work equal to potential into mass 2. So this much of work I have to do. Now potential is which potential? Tell me, who created potential?
M1.
M1 created potential. So how much M1 created the potential? Tell me. How much it created potential? How much potential it created? How much potential this mass created here?
Minus gm by r.
Yes, V equal to G minus Gm by R potential it created. Minus Gm1 by R because mass is M1, no? So potential into second mass is nothing but what? Potential into second mass is nothing but what?
Gravitational force.
Potential
Momentum.
into work.
Work.
Work. Minus G M1 M2 by R. It is nothing but work. Potential into mass. Potential, it is only potential. It is the potential. So potential into mass. Which mass? Second mass. So potential how much? Potential is minus Gm1 by R. So it is nothing but work. Whatever work I will store, it is second work. So net work how much? W net equal to W1 plus W2. W1 how much? 0. W2 how much? Minus Gm1 M2 by R. Now whatever work I did, that work will store in the form of potential energy. So that potential energy formula is minus Gm1 M2 by R. If you don't understand, once again, last and final time, please try to understand. Try to understand. So, to bring first mass, I no need to do any work. So, work 1 equal to 0. And from this mass at R distance, one of the point is there. Definitely due to this mass here, potential will be there. That potential is V is equal to minus Gm1 by R. This is the potential. Okay, this much of potential is developed due to this mass. Now I want to bring this mass from here to here. Definitely I have to do work. Work formula is potential into mass. Potential into mass is called work. So W2 equal to potential is nothing but I know minus Gm1 by R into M2. This is nothing but work. First work, second work. Now net work. Net work equal to M1 W1 plus W2. Now whatever work I will do, that will store in the form of potential energy. That is Gm1 M2 by R. That's all. This is only gravitational potential energy formula. Am I clear? Hello. Asmi?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Here there is no anything to confuse. Work formula is, according to potential, work formula is potential into mass. So potential is which potential? Only one potential is there. This mass will create the potential. That is only potential. So potential into this mass is nothing but work. Whatever work I did, that will store in the form of potential energy. At point P minus Gm by R. So now this second mass also I bought here. That is M2. So between these two, gravitational potential energy is there. That is this one.
So we can just write the formula, right? We don't have to derive it.
You no need to derive it. If you write formula enough. But how did you write formula? Do you want to know or not? Simply if you write formula, If you want to write simply formula, why I have to explain this much? I don't need to explain. Simply gravitational potential energy is this much and formula is I can give, no? So if I give like that, no use. I don't know where you are getting confusion here. Ananya,
No, sir,
Sir.
I understood.
Sir, one
Uh,
thing, sir.
Prashant, tell me, ma.
I couldn't hold my nerve. I had to tell the word, sir. Like, oh, Bhagwan Bachale. Like,
I
suddenly,
understood. The way you said only I understood. And do you have
I
any?
couldn't hold my nerve, sir. Like, 25 minutes, sir. I was thinking, like,
You are
how?
thinking.
What is that? What is
Yeah. Now tell me. Till do you have doubt? Till do you have doubt?
No,
If you
sir.
have till doubt,
No,
tell
sir.
me.
No doubt.
I am ready to discuss.
No, sir.
Because if you understand this concept, next
No
year
doubt,
it will
sir.
become
I
very easy to
understood,
me.
sir.
That's why. Again,
Yes,
next
sir.
year I
Like,
don't
I
want to shout
understood.
like this.
That's why I was feeling bad. Like,
Okay. Nagbhushnam,
Yes, sir.
any doubt, ma?
No, sir. No.
Oh, Aryan,
Yes, sir, no doubt.
Santosh.
Sir.
Don't keep something in our heart and don't say something with mouth, okay? If you have doubt, say that, we have doubt. Ask that doubt, whatever it may be. If it is wrong, right, anything. Because when you are trying to understand the concept, then only you will get doubts. Simply why you will get doubts? No? Priyanka,
No doubt, sir.
Bhargav, Papa, he has a full network problem today. Pratik,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Pratik, every time we used to write work formula force into displacement. Okay, don't think everywhere it is the same. Now work formula I am doing from potential. So potential equal to work by mass. So from this work equal to potential into mass. Don't think where is the potential. At this, wherever I want to bring this mass, their potential is there. So that potential only into that mass is nothing but work. That's all. So this is the concept that you have to keep in our mind. Now look at this. I want to know what you are going to say answer to this. Look at this. Can I?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yeah, Asmi, can I?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Asmi. Come on, no problem. The way when you are asking, I am not feeling anything. Yeah, how much I can? I want to explain that I will explain. Okay. If it is still, if you have doubt, I will try to explain. Otherwise, what we can do? Yeah, come on. Look at this. Now, one of the
So,
few.
sir, I'm just curious.
Uh.
Which object has the highest gravitational field or intensity?
Which body having more mass? Which planet having
Like
more
in the
mass?
whole universe.
Whole universe. Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Sir, sun.
Sun. Oh, planets.
In
No?
our galaxy, sun is the biggest.
So
No.
but
Sir,
one
what
thing,
about black hole?
black
Yes,
hole.
black hole.
black hole
We
radius
can't
is
compare.
large.
I will tell you why you are saying about the black hole. You know, when mass of the planet increases, after it crosses the certain limit of mass, black hole, planet will convert into black hole. So black
Yes,
hole
sir.
having more mass. I know that. Okay. So it's
Sir,
having more gravitation, but it is not there in the planet. No, solar system. That's why I didn't say the
I asked universe, sir.
universe. Okay. So black hole is nothing but when the planet mass is increasing. If it is crosses the Chandrasekhar limit, then that planet will become black hole. That's
Sir,
how
So,
it
so
is.
that's the
Particle-
largest, right?
Is that
Only
theorem?
largest.
Sir,
There's
How does it
nothing
increase?
larger
particles
than
are
that.
not large, sir. Sir, black holes, like if you have a body,
Mm.
particles are there. They have a mass, correct?
Yes.
So as the mass increases, gravity among them increases.
Yes.
Once it crosses a limit,
Mm.
gravitational force is so large that it can't sustain the size. So it will compress and it will become very small. That is why it turns to a black hole.
Okay. So that's what. The black hole having more gravitational force, Risha.
Sir,
But I'm thinking about the planets. That's why I said planet. Okay.
sir,
In the even universe, when you are saying universe, I'm feeling like universe means we have 8 planets. I'm thinking the planets only. In even so many things are there, right? Tell me, Santosh. Hello, Santosh.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
How do the planets gain more mass, sir? Mass increase.
Yeah.
Collision between two other bodies can cause mass.
No, Nagbhushnam, if collision happen every time, which bodies will collide every time? It is not. Yeah, I will find and I will tell you. No idea
Sir,
at
I
all.
know, sir. Like, see, sir, how did Earth form? From small rocks, and sir.
Yes, yes.
Like that only when
Dust
large
particles.
number of rocks are there among center, then
Around that.
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we have to see that.
Over time, the mass will increase rapidly, so it will gain.
Santosh, whatever Nagbhushan telling, maybe it is correct.
Yes, sir.
If it is there anything that I will let you know how
Okay.
planet masses will increase, I will find and I will tell you. Because I have no perfect information, then I can't give. Okay.
Yes,
I will
sir.
find whatever maybe he's telling that is also maybe true. We can't say that it's false, but I have no idea about that. How planet masses will increase. Okay. I will let you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the gravitational potential energy. Remember, gravitational potential energy cannot exist due to one single particle. It is exist due to two particles. To bring one mass, no need to apply any, no need to do any work. To bring the second mass, we have to do work. That work is nothing but potential into mass. Potential into which mass you are bringing that mass. So that first, potential is nothing but first mass created by the potential. So remember that. Now, one more concept, that is escape velocity. I want to finish this. Escape velocity. Look at this. Escape velocity we will denote with letter V naught. Sorry, VE. Please consider it here. Escaping velocity. Here also maybe you will ask doubts, I know. Come on. Listen, what is the escape velocity? The minimum velocity required. Write down. The minimum velocity required to the body to cross, to escape. Come on. If this is the body, if I throw like this, it will come back. If I apply more force, even though after certain limit, it comes back. So it should not come back. It should cross the gravitational field. So how much velocity that I have to give? What is the minimum velocity? The minimum velocity required to the body to escape from the gravitational force. Gravitational field or Ashmi, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So think once, if you throw anything, it will come back. But rocket, when it is going, it won't come back. So what is the minimum velocity that we have to give so that body crosses the gravitational field? It won't come back again. So what is the minimum velocity that we have to give? That's what I'm going to say. And on that escaping velocity will depending on which factors. So if this, even this marker, if I want to throw such that it should not come back. So with what velocity I have to throw. Okay. And on which factors it will depend. Is it depending on the mass or it depending on which factors? Everything I will explain clearly. Try to understand. But it is called escaping velocity. Clearly, did you understand what is the escaping velocity? Then I will start the concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this concept. Try to understand. expression. I'm going to derive expression for it. Expression, very important concept, okay? Very important concept. Now expression, see, I consider one of the body of mass m it is the earth. Feel like it is the earth. Please try to understand. It is the earth. Mass of earth is m. One of the body, mass of earth is m. One of the body is on the surface of the earth at x distance. This is the one more body. It is on the surface of the earth from the center of the earth on the surface at x distance. From the center of the earth x distance, this body is here. Am I clear or not? Till now, do you have any doubt here? You can ask me. I consider one of the earth. One of the object is on the earth at x distance. What is the x here? X is the distance from center to this body. Asmi?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So from center to here, we know that is the radius of the earth. No need to say. Okay. This is the radius of the earth. But this body is here. Cool. Okay. Now, I want to displace this body from here to small displacement. Is it I have to do work or not?
Yes,
have to,
sir. Small work. But
Yeah, I have to do small amount of work because small displacement, no? So small amount of work. Okay. Small amount of work I have to do. Here only concept started, okay? Don't get confusion. So to displace mass, to displace the body dx, we have to do work small dw. So what is the work formula? Work equal to force into
displacement.
Displacement. Okay, am I clear? Am I clear?
yes, sir.
What is the force? What is the force?
an opposite
Gravitational
force
force.
Opposing
of
force.
gravity.
Gravitational force is there right here? Gravitational force
Yes,
is there
sir.
or not? Newton said that wherever there are two masses, between the two masses, gravitational force exists. That's what he given, no? Again, which force? What is the force? Yeah, gravitational force. How much? Tell me the gravitational force. Now, don't say, wait. Ask me, what is the gravitational force now between the two masses? Hello, Asmi, can you hear me? Oh God, maybe our network problem or mine. Risha,
Yes, sir.
Risha, what is the gravitational force between these two masses, Risha?
G m1 m2 by r
E?
square.
Come on, G capital M.
Small m by r square.
Wow, why R square, Risha? Come on, try to understand. See the picture and tell me, no?
The x
X
square.
square. Sorry.
Yes, come on, see the picture. I'm not asking anything. I'm showing the picture, right?
Yeah, sorry.
So that is G m by x square into dx. Am I clear?
Excuse me, sir. You were asking me something, right?
Yes, I am asking Risha. Sorry, ask me. What is the force between the two masses?
It's the gravitational force, right?
How much? Tell me. How much gravitational force? Again, she has bad network, I think. Okay. Santosh, am I clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
This is the small work. Come on. Yeah, tell me, Santosh. Ask.
were you asking the value or the formula?
Formula I'm asking. Which value? What value? I'm asking what
So,
force. Which force it is I'm asking. Ananya, tell me.
And
so the mass is lying on the surface of the earth, right?
Ananya, I took this mass at certain height from the surface, I'm telling.
Yeah, but still it is inside
Okay.
gravitational field, right?
Yeah, inside the gravitational field. So on
Yeah.
the surface
So
of the...
force can be mg also.
Oh, that mg force is acting downward direction due to earth. I am
Yeah.
asking what is the force between these two masses?
Okay.
That mg is acting on this mass downward direction. Okay. I am asking what is the force between these two masses?
Okay,
That
yeah,
is the
sir,
difference.
got
Okay.
it.
Yeah. So this is the thing. Am I clear? Risha, am I clear? Priyanka?
Did you come up to that?
No.
I am having a lot of
Yeah.
disturbance.
I know. Asmi, that's what I'm telling. Okay. Clear? So to displace small amount of displacement, I have to do small work. Come on. I have to displace up to infinity. Is it I have to do, how much work I have to do? I have to do large amount of work. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Integrating both sides, sir.
Both integrating both sides. Come on.
G,
Now,
M and M will be constant.
see, you can ask, sir, why we have to displace up to infinity? Will you ask that question?
No, sir.
Because
Infinity is also a point, sir. It's a
infinity
point.
also a point, and we
You
have
just
to
have to escape.
we
Escape.
have to
That is only
escape. No, if
infinity.
you want to escape means we have to take this body from the gravitational field to out of the field. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
same as W infinity, right?
Yeah, same as W infinity. Now look at this. So I have to do large amount of work to displace to infinity. Now integration, what is the integration limit, sir? That body from where to where we are taking? From where to where?
Sir, at x
0 to
to
infinity, no.
I will take
yes, sir, 0 to infinity. R to infinity, yes, sir.
0 to infinity means this body they placed at the center of
Sir,
the
from for which we have to tell yes, sir. For
question.
R or from 0. That time what is
Sir,
our,
X
sir?
minus R.
For
0 means
everything, if you
0. That meaning you are taking that object from center of the earth to infinity. At the center
X
of earth
minus
only,
R.
no, it is 0.
yes, sir. That I understood.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like I'm
Okay.
telling, like everything, everyone is telling yes, sir. That's
Yeah.
all.
Now
After that,
from R, from the
collapse.
surface
That's what
of the,
I
see, any object we will take from the surface of the earth only, not from inside the earth. Okay. So from where to where we have to take? From R to
from R.
to infinity. So that
Yes,
is the
sir.
total work. Now here also R to infinity, force is nothing but G M by x square dx. Am I clear or any doubt? Risha, clear?
Yeah.
No, maybe Ananya,
Yes, sir.
clear or not?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now if I do this much of work, like from R to infinity, I will get the total work, no doubt in that. That's why I written W. From R to infinity, if I do work, that means the total work. That is the W.
Yes, sir.
Now here G is constant. Can I say G is constant?
Yes.
Yes, sir. G, M and small m are
M and small m, these three are constants. Can I take it out from the integration?
Yes, sir.
So remaining integration is R to infinity 1 by x square dx. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
X only variable, right? X is variable from where to where? X is variable from where to where?
R to infinity.
That's why X is variable. Now, can I integrate 1 by x square? What is the 1 by x square integration?
minus 1 by x.
Minus 1 by x.
Minus
So,
1 by
minus 1 by x limits are R to infinity. R to infinity. Now, once if I get this, first I have to substitute upper limit. After I have to substitute lower limit. Okay. Am I clear, everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, where I have to
So
start?
can you explain from the beginning once more?
Yes, I will. Definitely I will explain. Because you have to understand. Okay. I will explain. Come on. Please, those who understood, please keep quiet. Those who didn't understand, please try to understand. We can complete. Okay. Asmi, am I clear? Two bodies are there. One body mass M and second body mass is capital M. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me,
So
Santosh.
before you start again, so once again, I just have one doubt. So you told the object is a M, right? Then why are we taking it from R? Or we have to take X minus R?
Come on. I will tell you. That is also I will tell you. Okay. I can take this mass from on the surface of the earth only. this mass I can take from the, this height is very, very small. So I am telling that, so I am here. This object is in my hand. Then I am throwing. It is not on the surface of the earth. Even surface of the earth also I can throw, right? So I am considering from here, but this, you have to see that this mass is here. Oh God. If I write from here, then you won't get the
Sir,
correct
X
concept.
minus R is negligible, no, sir?
Yes, X minus R is negligible. I mean,
Okay,
that is okay?
Yes, sir, understood.
Asmi,
Yes, sir.
two masses are there?
Yeah.
Between the two masses, what will be there, Asmi?
1 minute, sir. Why is X minus R negligible?
Hey, when you compare with R, R is very, very high, right? So this, what he is telling, this X is very, very small. That's what he is telling.
X is small.
X is very small. It is on the
Sir, one
surface
thing,
of the
sir.
earth.
One small thing.
Sir, how is X
Can you,
small?
sir, can you compare 80 meters with 6,400 kilometers, sir?
Asmi, Risha, 6,400 kilometers. Compare one, 5 meters.
Oh,
5
sir, I'm
centimeters.
asking, is X small
very
or
small.
big?
Very, very
X
small.
minus R is small, right?
X minus, oh, you came to like that. Yeah.
Sir,
Actually,
X is
whatever.
the distance between M and center and mass, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
The R is the radius, so X minus R is negligible.
Because if you remove anything from the infinity, you will get infinity only. That's what he is telling. He is telling 100 minus 0.001. It won't make that much difference. That's what he is telling.
Yeah, sir, yeah,
Okay.
I got it.
Yeah. He's telling that if you remove anything from this R distance, it won't make that much difference, right? Like that he is telling. That's what he given statement. Come on, Asmi, am I clear? Asmi?
Yes, yes.
Between the two masses, what will be there?
Gravitational force.
Tell me fast.
So what, sir?
Gravitational force. You told the gravitational force will be there. How much?
Oh, the formula?
Force means gravitational force means formula only, na, Asmi? Remaining, what is there?
So it's I'm not sure, sir, the formula.
G capital M
Right,
small m by R X square.
Capital M small m by x square. Because between these two distances, x we have taken.
Okay, yes. Sir.
Okay, come on, over. Now, here see, this is the first step. Just I found the force. See the second step. In the second step, I want to displace this mass, small dx, displacement, small dx. Is it I have to do work or not? Come on, fast.
Yes.
How much work I have to do? Is it I have to do very big work? Is large work I have to do?
No.
More amount of work? No, right? Small amount of work. That small amount of work, can I take dw?
Yes, sir.
What is the work formula?
F force into displacement.
So force is nothing but force and displacement is dx, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the force here?
GMM by x square.
That's what. So dw equal to gmm by x square dx. Clear?
Yes.
Now, third step, I want to do large amount of work so that this particle initially it is in the gravitational field. I want to place this particle out of the field, means at infinity. Did you understand clearly?
Yes, sir. So large amount of work is required.
Yeah. So to get the large amount of work, if I integrate this one, I will get, right? Integration is small
Yes,
amount of works, everything if we add, you will get the large amount of work. That's what the integration meaning, right? Everything
Yes.
we are telling that. Now see, it is telling, I am telling that it is equation 1. So take it as equation 1 or take it as equation 2. Integrate equation 2 both sides. So that is the third step. Integration. Integration limits what? So dw equal to integration f is nothing but g capital M small m by x square dx. Okay, I integrated both sides. Now our concept is, what are the limits of integration? When you are doing limit integration, definitely you have to give a limit, upper limit and lower limit. Okay, now tell me, what are the limits? From where to where that object you are taking? Any object From where to
Infinity.
where we have to throw?
From initial to final. So
Initially, body will be on the surface of the earth, right?
yes, yes. Sir.
That can I take R?
Why can't we take X?
If I
So
take
R is the distance between the surface and the center of mass, right?
so it is only surface right now.
Sir, but we are taking X square as the distance between the two masses. Oh no, that's center of the mass.
Okay. Now body is on the surface only, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Surface means at R distance only, right?
yeah.
From the center, R distance only, right?
Yes, sir.
From this R to where I have to take that body?
Infinity.
That's what.
But the object is not present at the center of the mass, right?
That's why I'm not taking 0. I'm taking from R. Object is here. Again, don't say that, sir, object is here. Oh, this height is very, very small.
Okay, okay. Got it, sir.
Initially, if I want to displace this X distance, I have to do work or not?
X is like negligible, right?
Yes, initially X is negligible. Okay, it is on the surface. I'm feeling like object is here. I can't show that, no? And you will feel that both are in contact. That's why I shown here body. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, any body, if you want to throw from earth to infinity, every body will be on the surface of the earth only. Okay. If you compare any height from the surface of the earth, it is negligible when you are comparing with the radius of the earth. So this body is on the surface of the earth. So it is R distance from the center. So now R to infinity, I am throwing this ball. R to infinity means it escapes the gravitational field. Am I clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Santosh, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when I'm doing work from R to infinity, is it I will get the large amount of work or small amount of work? Large amount of work. So dw plus dw plus dw plus up to infinity, I will add all dw's. Then how much I will get? W?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, when I'm going to do integration for this, there are some variables here. What are the variables? G, M is constant, okay?
Yes.
Mass of earth won't change. Mass of body won't change.
And gravitational force is constant.
Gravitational force not
Constant. Gravitation constant.
It won't change. So remaining limit is R to infinity. You will remain with 1 by x square dx, right?
Yeah.
Done? Or any doubt?
No, no doubt.
Now, these are the variable. X is variable, right? From where to where? From R to infinity, right?
Sorry, sir?
X is variable now. X is varying from R to infinity. Distance is changing from R to infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by x square integration?
Minus.
Yes, minus 1 by x.
1 by x, yeah.
Minus 1 by x. Come on, where I have to write that? I will write here. Can you see this part?
No, sir. I think you can write below that itself.
Okay, can I write here?
Yeah, yeah,
Now see,
sir.
W equal to G capital M small m integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, okay? R to infinity. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, limits same only. Just I did integration 1 by x minus 1 by x I got. Limits are R to infinity, okay? Once if we get like this, what we have to do? We have to substitute the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first I will substitute the upper limit in the place of x. After I will substitute the lower limit in the place of x. Am I clear?
Yeah.
And that is telling that x is changing from R to infinity. That is only meaning. Okay. So can I erase this diagram? Can I erase this or will you write fast?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Wait. Ananya? Oh, Ananya is there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ananya, did you understand Ananya clearly?
Yeah, yeah.
No doubt, right?
No,
First
sir.
step, force we calculated. Second step, small amount of work that we have calculated. Third step, we want the total work. Total work we are doing from on the surface to infinity, because body should cross the gravitational field. That is only infinity. So that's what we did. 3 steps. If you draw the diagram, I will erase and question is completed. But further information I will give later. Question completed with that. Asmik, can I?
Will they ask to explain escape velocity in the exam?
Yeah, derive expression for escape velocity means what will you do?
I have a
Why is it very difficult? What is the question?
Oh, sir.
It's very such a
Oh, sir,
nice
it's
question,
easy.
and simply we can feel like, and every day we will throw so many objects upward direction, but it is coming downward direction, and how to make sure that body should not come down. So with what velocity I have to throw this is very such an interesting thing it is.
Yes, sir.
And
I
here
have a doubt.
and see one by one step I'm explaining. Here if you have any doubts, ask ma.
Sir, when you see a rocket, it will lose mass continuously, no, sir. Then how can we say that it can move in constant velocity?
I will say, definitely I will say. Okay.
Sir, also in real life, we don't see the mass going continuously straight and leaving the gravitational field. It will go to some height and then it will start taking like ellipses around the
Okay.
gravitational field.
Done. Every concept will come here. Okay. Every concept will come here. Straight line, circular, or a helical ellipse. Everything will come here. Okay. That is only concept we are studying. With what velocity we have to project the object so that it moves in the circular path, so that it moves in the ellipse path. Everything will come here. No problem. Asmi, can I?
No.
Now look at this. Substitute the upper limit and lower limit. W equal to Gm m. So minus 1 by infinity minus half minus 1 by r.
So you can take the minus out.
It is 0 now.
Oh yeah.
So W equal to Gm m by r. Done? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
You are asked, sir, you want to calculate escape velocity, but you calculated work. You are telling that is clear or not? Work is clear or not? You did work or
Yes.
not?
So we have to do it.
You did work, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, whatever work I did, okay, whatever work I did, now this will convert into kinetic energy because body is moving, right? Body is moving. Once if it is cross the gravitational field, it will move or it will be stay at same rest.
Sir, it will continuously move.
Continuously move. So it having
Yes, sir,
velocity or
inertia.
not?
Yes, sir.
It having velocity. So whatever work I did to escape the gravitational field, that work will convert into kinetic energy. Now look at this.
We can't decrease the velocity once it goes beyond the
Constant. It will become constant. No decrease, no increase. So it is the work. Now from
Sir,
here,
there is a chance, sir.
there is a chance means opposite direction. Anything we have.
फ्यूल खत्म हो गया तो खत्म सर. जीरो में आके गिर जाएगा.
That fuel is used
sir,
to oppose the velocity and keep the velocity stable.
Constant.
Without the
Next.
fuel also, once it crosses the gravitational field, it will keep going.
Keep going. That's what. Okay.
But
Come on.
sir, one stage will come, sir. It will collide to something.
Okay. We will discuss. Okay. We will discuss now. Time is getting over. Okay. Now see, W is equal to G mm by R square. Now work
Sir, it's only R.
convert into kinetic energy. Work will convert into kinetic energy from here. So that is only fourth step. If you write these first two steps, can I erase?
So you can erase the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Then. Come on. Now work is converting into kinetic energy. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Fast.
mv squared.
Just a minute. Priyanka out. Okay. Half m. Can I write v square? Why? It is.
What is v?
What is v?
Okay. Got it, sir.
It is cross the gravitational field. No, whatever work we did, that work, due to that work, object crossed the gravitational field, right?
Yes.
So that having velocity, that is escaping velocity, you know.
Yes, sir.
Whatever work, how much work I did? G capital M, small m by r. Whatever the work I did, it will convert it into kinetic energy. Am I clear now? Asmi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. Small m, can I?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now VE square equal to 2gm by r. Can I?
Yes, sir.
So VE equal to root over 2gm by r, right? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is called escaping velocity expression. It is one formula. I will make sure that this formula I will convert into different forms. I will get different equations. Nearly 4 equations I will give you. It is for useful. Okay. Am I clear or not till now?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Nagbhush.
Sir, we know that like to cover an like a field, we either go half the field or maximum 2/3 or something like that to cross the field, so that it will reach rest after it crosses the field, no, sir? Like, sir, if you cover the half distance, then inertia will do your job, no, sir? It will cover the other half distance for you.
Inertia.
We should think right, because we don't need exactly the escape velocity. Like we need to conserve energy, fuel, and etc. etc.
Remaining half. Okay, we will discuss that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How to think that, because inertia will do work means.
Sir, it won't be exactly half, because even force or acting on it also decreases.
Decreases, and downward direction force, every time force will act on the field.
Yes, sir.
So it won't even do that. I guess.
Sir, I'll try to do something.
Yeah, we will do. We will try to do. So this is called escaping velocity expression. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Ananya, clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Asmi, clear?
Is the escaping velocity constant?
We will see in the next class. Okay. Escaping velocity constant. Yes, definitely constant. For different, I will tell you. Still it is there. Only one expression I given. This I will convert into 4 expressions. Any one formula that you can use. Okay. After that, I will give importance of escaping velocity. Okay. I will give each and every concept. Then orbital velocity means how much velocity required to the body to revolve in the orbit. That is very, very important, because same thing we will apply for satellites also. By the next class, tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
No, Saturday.
By the Saturday, you will get a full idea, okay, of escaping velocity and orbital velocity. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See you in the next class, ma'am.
So.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.